Open the front cover. Press Return and Cancel button at the same time. Release them. Immediately press the Return button again. The reset menu will appear. You may have to try several times. Select the toner you want to reset. STR is the started cartridge. STD is standard capacity. HC is high capacity. We will reset the high capacity toner cartridge. Press Yes to confirm. The display will show accepted. Press Menu. Close the cover. The counter has been reset. It's possible to reset this cartridge using the Reset Gear tool. You'll find the instructions in the description of the video.